Hi everybody. Kate and I are out in our backyard. We don't have a garden at our house, but we do have a tangerine tree. So I thought I'd take Kate out here and maybe we could tell a few gardening jokes. Are you guys ready to laugh? All right, Kate, I'll start.
Okay.
Kate, why do potatoes make good detectives?
I don't know why.
Because they keep their eyes peeled.
Oh, that's a good one.
Thanks.
I have one. What kind of flowers do you give King Tut?
King Tut? I don't know. What kind of flowers do you give King Tut?
Chrysanthemums.
Chrysanthemums. Good one, Kate.
Thanks.
What do you call a cow that works for a gardener?
What do you call a cow that works for a gardener?
A lawnmower.
Oh. Why didn't anyone laugh at the gardener's jokes?
Why didn't anyone laugh at the gardener's jokes?
Because they were too corny.
Ah.